5 ways AI can help you improve your cooking. 1. Recipe recommendations. AI can suggest personalized recipes based on your dietary preferences, available ingredients, and cooking skill level. For example, it can recommend a low-calorie dinner recipe using the ingredients you have in your fridge. 2. Cooking tips and techniques. AI can provide step-by-step cooking instructions with helpful tips and techniques. It can guide you through each stage of a recipe, ensuring you achieve the best results. 3. Ingredient substitutions. If you're missing a specific ingredient, AI can suggest suitable substitutions to keep your dish on track. For instance, it can recommend alternatives for dairy-free or gluten-free cooking. 4. Timers and reminders. AI can set timers for different cooking tasks, ensuring you don't overcook or undercook your food. It can also send reminders to your phone or smart device so you never forget a step. 5. Nutritional analysis. AI can analyze the nutritional content of your dishes, helping you make healthier choices. It can provide calorie counts, macronutrient breakdowns, and other nutritional information for your recipes.